Collaborative research has changed my life and my career goals essentially. I came in as a nursing major and now I am a chemistry major. So without the help of Brian Gilbert and Linfield College, I would not be where I am right now.
What I was doing was working with tagging molecules that do basically exactly what the name says, which is tag the nanoparticle and give it a specific feature so that we can check and know if the particle did bind within the cell.
It's not just doing homework, going to your lecture. I'm actually going to start something and start off with just drafting in a plan and an idea and start asking questions and building models to represent and actually getting to work hands-on and create these models to see if they actually work.
So I work in electron microscopy and I'm studying this material to use as an emission source and trying to figure out some defects that it has under an applied field and how I can take data and see how that affects the lifetime of the crystal.
This summer we built two-dimensional materials in our lab. The way we got these materials was through a process called exfoliation, and actually surprisingly we were actually able to see these two-dimensional materials under a microscope.
When we're able to manipulate these 2D materials successfully, we're able to build these cool interference patterns and devices that show unique electrical properties.
Undergraduate research at Linfield is actually a really pivotal part of our educational experience. We use it a lot to learn about how what we're learning in the classroom applies to the real world. So in organic chemistry, you learn how to synthesize molecules, and I'm using that specifically in my research to look at how making molecules can inhibit processes. Before doing undergraduate research, I hadn't really considered the idea of doing research as a career and pursuing a PhD, but because of my experiences in undergraduate research, I know what it's like to work in a real functioning research lab, and I've gained a lot of experience, and I know that it's something that I really enjoy and I want to pursue in the future.